Hello everyone. In this video, I will present the overall introduction of the FaceMe Security product. This would be the first video of the training series. After you watch this video, you would overall understand what is FaceMe Security and why should customer use it. I will first briefly talk about the FaceMe advantages, and then I will present what are the user scenarios and features of FaceMe Security. You will also see how FaceMe Security upgrades the existing video surveillance systems. And finally, I will quickly talk about technical details such as system structures and the runtime performance on different hardware. The facial recognition engine utilized by FaceMe Security has high accuracy levels. With a false match rate as low as 1 out of 1 million, the engine can recognize individuals with a success rate of 99.83%. Anti-spoofing measures have been implemented to prevent the facial recognition from being compromised by printed photos or videos and can 100% stop the attacks. These impressive metrics are not self-reported by Cyberlink. Rather, they have been verified by reputable third-party entities. One such organization is the National Institute of Standards and Technology, a respected industry standard for facial recognition engine testing. In examining the results of the National Institute of Standards and Technology, NIST facial recognition testing, FaceMe has achieved exceptional performance. In the one-to-one face verification testing for Visa category, FaceMe demonstrates a true acceptance rate of 99.83%, with a false match rate as low as 1 in a million. FaceMe ranks number 4 if vendors from China or Russia are excluded. Besides, FaceMe surpass well-known industry players like Paravision, Vision Labs, IDEMIA, Innovatrix, and so on. From this chart, you can see that FaceMe performs well, regardless of the conditions under which the face image is taken. Visa refers to photos taken from passports, while Visa Border indicates comparison between a passport photo and a face photo captured from a webcam during entry into the United States. The wild photo is also very important, as it captures faces at wider angles, occluded or with various expressions, making it a closer representation of what facial recognition will encounter in real-world video surveillance scenarios. Based on the above examples, you can see the strength and accuracy of FaceMe facial recognition engine. Now, let us dive into the features and benefits of FaceMe Security product. FaceMe Security is designed to upgrade your existing video surveillance and access control systems with cutting-edge AI facial recognition technology. It performs identity verification by identifying VIP or blacklisted individuals. It can be used for access control, allowing only authorized personnel to gain access to specific doors. It can also help business owners easily monitor employee attendance status. Additionally, it can trigger real-time alerts for events such as unauthorized access and the presence of strangers. The system is deeply integrated with mainstream VMS. The key feature of FaceMe Security is its ability to enhance existing access control systems through facial recognition, thereby preventing unauthorized access with ease. Users can manage personnel into groups and assign different access levels to each group. For instance, only finance personnel can access the finance office, and only authorized engineers can access the machine room. FaceMe Security integrates with Genetec VMS for access control and can also be integrated with access control system via Weekend protocols or APIs provided by FaceMe Security. Finally, if there is no existing access control system, users can connect the Dido controller device directly to auto doors or locks and configure access rules within FaceMe Security. FaceMe Security makes surveillance smarter. By monitoring multiple cameras in real time, FaceMe Security reduces the effort and stress of security personnel, enabling them to work more efficiently. People identification and alerts are displayed instantly on the monitor screen, making security personnel's life much easier. FaceMe Security deeply integrates with multiple VMS and enhances the existing VMS with facial recognition capabilities. Security personnel thus don't need to learn how to use another product. All camera setting can be easily synced from VMS to FaceMe by a single click. FaceMe Security monitors all surveillance camera streams in real time and provides facial recognition results to the VMS. Security personnel can view real-time alerts and notifications when using the VMS software. Additionally, users can search the metadata kept by the VMS using a person's face, name, or group and play the corresponding recordings right within the VMS. FaceMe Security supports sending real-time notifications to your smartphone using the CyberLink U Messenger app when a certain event is detected, such as the presence of a VIP, blocklist member, or stranger. This ensures that users won't miss any important events, even when they are not in front of their monitors. FaceMe Security integrates with 7 mainstream VMS, Genetec Security Center, Milestone X-Protect, Network NxWitness, Hanwha Vision, Axis Camera Station, Avigilon, and Vivatech Vast Security Station. Thus, customers don't need to change their existing VMS system. By installing FaceMe Security as a plugin, their VMS will be upgraded with facial recognition features. When integrated with a VMS, FaceMe Security retrieves camera streams from the VMS and performs facial recognition once enabled. The recognition result is displayed on the VMS interface, along with personnel information such as name, department, and photos. You can also pre-configure certain rules so that when certain people show up in selected locations and times, it triggers alerts in the VMS. As all facial recognition metadata is stored in the VMS, users can search among records within the VMS using name, title, department, or other metadata. The results show the footprint of the person you searched for, and you can also play the recorded video from the results. When the FaceMe Security plugin is integrated with NxWitness or Genetec, you can track a person by providing only a face image to know where and when they have been. This is particularly helpful in cases where you want to track someone who is not previously registered. To avoid duplicated efforts in configuring camera and employee information into VMS and FaceMe Security offers ways to sync camera and personnel information from VMS. When you add a new camera to the VMS, FaceMe Security can retrieve camera connection information directly from VMS, so there is no need to enter it again. You only need to decide if you want the facial recognition to be turned on or off for the newly added camera. Additionally, since there is personnel information in the Genetec VMS, such as name, title, department, and face photos, it can be synced from Genetec VMS to FaceMe Security as well. This minimizes the necessary efforts of admins to maintain camera and employee information. Here is the overall system structure of the FaceMe Security, including the camera, VMS, database, servers, feature add-ons, and various third-party services or access control integrations. As you can see, the surveillance camera video streams pass through VMS and then into FaceMe Security. The workstation here processes the video and performs vision AI processing. The results would be passed to the central server. All recognition results and metadata are further sent to VMS, so security personnel can see real-time alerts or recognition results in the VMS directly. The central server also provides a management console where user could change system configs, edit or manage the personnel database, or do advanced search and queries. All metadata is stored in an external Microsoft SQL database server. Additionally, there are feature add-ons such as VMR add-on, check-in add-on, face terminal add-on. For these feature add-ons, we will introduce them in other training videos. Besides VMS, the recognition results are also sent to CyberLink U Messenger, or you can connect the FaceMe Security API and API provided by other communication software such as Microsoft Teams, Slack, and so on. Last but not least, a direct connection to existing access control systems, doors, warning lights, or alarms is possible through Dido or Wagand interface. Dido is an interface that can be connected to peripherals such as doors, locks, warning lights, or alarm speakers. FaceMe Security supports Dido through I/O modules from the Advantech WISE 4000 series and Vivatech AO20W device. These devices are connected to FaceMe Security via Ethernet and convert the signal from FaceMe Security to on-off signals for peripherals. The number of output channels for these modules determines how many peripherals can be connected to them. In the FaceMe Security console, you can configure policy rules for each I/O output channel. For example, you can set a rule so that only employees can unlock the doors at the company's main entrances, or only IT personnel can enter the machine room, or turn on the red warning lights when blacklisted people are identified. Besides Dido, Weekend is another interface that can connect FaceMe Security to an existing access control system. In this way, existing access control systems can be upgraded from badge to face. Weekend is commonly used for sending the card number from card readers to access control systems. In a traditional access control system, personnel tap their badge on the card reader, and the card reader sends the card number through the Weekend interface to the access control system. The access control system then grants access by unlocking the door, depending on the permissions that were previously configured. By using the Vivitech AO20W device, when FaceMe Security recognizes the personnel, it then sends the card number of the personnel to the access control system. In this way, you can easily integrate FaceMe Security into any access control systems that are using Weekend card readers. Lastly, FaceMe Security is highly optimized for various platforms and hardware. We make sure the product runs as fast as possible, from a small NUC PC that does not include a GPU to powerful workstations that include multiple GPUs. With these benchmark numbers, you can see that FaceMe Security can support 4 channels when running on an Intel NUC small PC. A channel refers to a surveillance camera stream. In this testing, there were 500 people who walked through each camera every hour. This hardware setup is suitable for small offices or shops where we make sure the hardware costs are minimized. For larger areas like a building, office, factory, or construction site where you need FaceMe Security to cover more cameras, NVIDIA GPU is recommended. By using a single RTX A2000 GPU, FaceMe Security supports real-time monitoring of 40 channels, with 900 people walking through each camera every hour. The RTX A2000 GPU is an entry-level GPU for commercial usage, and it supports continuous usage 24/7. If the customer requires more than 40 channels, they can upgrade to a higher-tier GPU or plug multiple GPUs into the same workstation. A workstation can support up to 4 display cards. If the requirement is even more than 4 GPUs can support, you can add more workstations into the same FaceMe Security system to horizontally expand the capability. That concludes today's video. We recommend that you check out our other demo videos to see FaceMe Security in action. Thank you for your time.